Hey, everybody, look, my God. These olives are like the giant olives taking over the world, and they're going to kill all the people and turn them all into olive people. Do you remember the famous movie, The Peapod People? Well, these are the olive people. Okay, anyway, olives. Kalamata olive trees come from the Kalamata region, which is by the coast where the ocean is. And famous Kalamata olive oil is there. Also, we have Italian green olives and Spanish olives. And remember what they put inside the olives? The little pimentos, and they go in your martini. All right, we like a drinky poo once in a while. It's okay. I'll admit it. Everybody does. All right? And if you don't, it's okay too. But eat the olives. Have the olives marinated. Lemon juice, oregano, olive oil, a little salt. Marinate them up. Put them on your salad. Get some feta cheese. Oh my God, throw a few artichoke hearts, and the olives are just great. All right, this is Pete. I gotta go now because there's more cooking to be done in the Carpizzo's kitchen. So I'm off to get ready because today, don't tell anybody, but today is Sunday, and you know what I do on Sunday? I make a lot of things. And one of them is chicken cutlet. So we'll see what comes out of the kitchen today. I'm not exactly sure yet, but we'll go in there and have some fun. So cook, eat, enjoy. We love you all. Subscribe, like, share, and go to Facebook. We have a beautiful group, and you can post the pictures of what you're cooking, right? Okay, Pete at Carpizzo's is finally out.